Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna look like tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear a lot of eyeshadow and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and lashes, and I think I'm gonna look like a smart girl tomorrow, because the reason why I'm going to look smart tomorrow is because for vocational, and you got to look smart anyway for vocational. Tomorrow I'm working in the sweet shop, the Sweet Bee. Basically, I will be wearing some black trousers, heels and a yellow top, and I will be straightening my hair tomorrow, so I hope you love the way I look tomorrow, looking so smart. So like and subscribe and comment down below what next you want me to do. Thank you.